Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we're going to go through the process of differentiating the header image on this home page so that it appears as a different image on tablet versus mobile versus desktop. So the first step is going to be to go into the Visual Builder. And once that Visual Builder editing screen shows up, then we'll go into the place where the background image is located. In this case, it is in section settings for this header. So we'll click on the settings icon, open up our module, and we'll click on the background tab. Now, this was already done, but what we can do is we can see there's a background image for here, but the problem is this is a long, wide image and it looks good on desktop, but it does not fit well on mobile. So what we want to do is differentiate that. And if you hover over background, this secondary background title here in the settings, next to the revert button, it's like an undo button. This is one where you can create an effect to hover. So for instance, you could create an image to change when someone hovers over it. And this is the setting that we're looking for, which is, looks like a little mobile phone. That is so we can differentiate between the views for desktop, tablet, and phone. So the first step is we'll leave desktop here as it is because we like this image. Then we're going to click on tablet, and as you can see, we've already swapped out this image. But basically all you would do is go into your media library, look for the image that you want to place specifically for tablet and desktop view, which is this one, and click upload image. Mobile, you could put a different one for mobile, like a different cropped version of this image if you wanted to for mobile, but right now this one does look just fine on mobile. So tablet, we have this view, and desktop, we actually have this image. So once you've swapped in the photos that you desire for each view, click on the green check mark to save changes, and of course click on the purple button with the 3 horizontal white dots, open up that global menu, and click on save to save your changes. Now when you finish saving your changes and you check out your home page, you'll see that the image you chose for desktop will show up on desktop view. If you open it up on your tablet or mobile, the image will show as the other image, the alternate image. That's all there is to it. If you have additional questions, please reach out to Gradelink website support.